Hello there, back with you, 2 in 1 day. How about that? Right, so I didn't bother going live after I came back out because I just got straight into it. I just need to tidy up my bench here, bit of a mess, but everywhere else is pretty well organised. So what we managed to do by getting that up there like that, and I put a chain on it here, goes up into the rafter, so it's very strong and it won't bend, just to carry the weight of that thing there. And I still have space there to get a few more bits and pieces up on it, but because this kind of blocked a little bit of the light, we put up the second light rail I had, and the bench is pretty well lit now. A couple of bits on it there, and I added in it's an old brush handle here at the front, and a bit of wood in at the back with a couple of steps out on it, so it'll take those 2 crates. Idea being that when I make my table saw, it's going to fit in here, in where these crates are. These crates are kind of surplus to requirements at the moment. So that managed me to be able to free up this corner where I store all my wood and stuff, and there's no point in having stuff in there that you can't get in at. So now I can get in there, and the workmates fit in there nice and neat. And what we're going to do as well now over the Christmas is the rail I have here for the camera, I'm going to move it up to about here, right? And I'll make a slightly different yoke for the camera that it'll come down maybe 18 inches or so from there, so it'll be kind of at the same height it was. And I'm going to take that down and attach it to the bottom of this, so that the lights will be closer to the bench, and that might do away with this one I have up here. Is it turned on? No, that one that's up there. So I had to put that piece of wood in front of it, because when I was sitting there doing stuff, it was blinding me. So other than that, now we are the most organised we've ever been here. I just need to label up them crates properly now. They have a little lad on the front here, so I'd probably cut some plastic or something like that to fit in them and label them with the label maker. And loads of storage, absolutely tons of storage. And you haven't seen this, I don't think. Those 4 big containers up the top there, they were being thrown out in work, so of course I seen this and I brought them with me, and put up a couple of brackets there that I'll adjustable slot shelving, and just to make it that bit stronger, I put jack chains on it. Like that one's up there about 5 or 6 years, and there's a ton weight on it and never moved. So this will be kind of stuff that don't use all that much, so we're going to make lids for these, so that whatever's in them won't get covered in dust, you know, when you're doing woodwork and whatnot. So just a couple of pallet boards. I used a couple of the pallet blocks to give me a drop shelf for this guy. A few bits and pieces in that as well. That used to be there where those 4 crates are, or 3 crates here are. So that freed up that space, and yeah, I'm quite pleased with myself. And a little oil can I got from the land of Chinesium for how much was that? £3 or something like that. So that's just for when I'm drilling here. It's got cutting oil in it. And yeah, we're quite happy now. So the whole place is looking well organised and easy to get in at everything, so we're quite pleased. Happy days. So we have a switch up here for these lads. That turns them off. And switch up there turns them ones off. And yeah, so we're all set now. Get a few more bits and pieces done here over the next 10 days or so. Now what are we doing here? We're shutting that down, because I'm going in now. It's getting cold. I didn't bother turning on the heat because it was kind of mild enough out here today. But now, since it's got really dark and that, it's starting to get... Whoa! Oh yeah, amplifier, forgot about that. I have to turn the amp off first. My PC runs through that amp into those speakers. So that's my PC sound setup. So what else are we going to do here now? We're going to try and declutter this bench a bit, get a few bits and pieces off it. So because it just, you know, small few bits on it and it's a total wreck. So we're going to try and see, can we tidy that up a bit. So there you go, and we'll get you soon. Hope Santa Claus comes tonight for you all and brings you all something nice. And that's it from me. So once again, Merry Christmas and all the best. We'll get you in the next one.